afternoon and welcome. You're watching Times Now. I'm Sagarika Mitra, and viewers, it's time to fasten your seatbelts because we are just moments away from a blockbuster Champions Trophy finals between two modern-day gladiators, India and New Zealand. Will India, riding on an unbeaten streak, complete their dominance and claim the silverware, or will the Kiwis once again pull off a giant killing act like they did in 2019 and in 2021? The stakes are massive. Now the tension is sky high and the cricketing world is on fire. But before we get you all the interesting trivia and we go to our guests, let's go straight to Dubai from where my colleague Karishma is reporting, and she has fans with her. She's been getting us all the live action, all the live updates and the energy straight from the ground. We'll be going across to Karishma Singh, who is going to join us in just moments from now. Karishma, let's tell us about what you're seeing, because just in moments from now, the toss will begin. The fans are lining up. What's happening on the ground?
Well, yes, absolutely. Fans are right here. So what would you want to say? We are live on Times Now right now. What is your message to Team India?
All the best to India, and we're sure going to win.
And a lot of people that I've been speaking to since morning are talking about Rohit century, Virat century. What are you expecting?
Rohit's century is due. I think he's going to perform today.
Today is going to be his day. I see a very beautiful poster there as well, Sagarika. Let's show it to our viewers. The excitement here. India's ICC triumphs, a legacy in motion. The T20 World Cup 2007, 2011, 2025 loading. That is what I really like here. Can we just pull it up a little so that we can see this? There's also the 2024 T20 World Cup, and there's also the 2013 Champions Trophy. We unfortunately lost in 2017, but that is going to change now.
Absolutely, it's going to change now, and I think we've got the best combination that we can actually have. And all the ICC trophies that India has actually won till date.
About the combination, even Shubman Gill, the vice captain, yesterday said that this is the best batting lineup ever.
Absolutely, absolutely. I completely agree, and I think this is our best chance. We've got in form Virat, we've got in form Shubman. Rohit is doing his job well, and I think bowlers are doing great.
And I see the Indian flag, the Indian jersey here as well. So what is your message to Team India? What do you want to say?
I just want to say, just go there, express yourself. We have match winners. There is Virat, there is Hardik. I'm sure they are going to perform. The middle order is doing very well for us. Shreyas Iyer is in form as well. KL Rahul is in form. So I think India is going to win comfortably.
India's going to win comfortably.
It won't be a panic situation at all.
So it's not going to be a panic situation at all. Thank you so much. India is what the chants are going to be here in Dubai. Sagarika, I'm going to take you around. This right behind me is the Dubai Stadium. I'm of course going to be talking to more and more fans here, but the Indian team has arrived. There are announcements being made inside the stadium as well, because the action is about to begin. 2:30 p.m. IST is when the match is going to start. There are more India fans here sitting in India jerseys. Why don't we try and talk to them as well? Sir, if I can ask you to come here and tell us, what is your message to the Indian team? What is your message to the Indian team?
Hi, Hal. We are the Indian fans. So today we are expecting Kohli and Rohit. All the top three order batsmen should perform well. So there has to get the.
How's the excitement for the match today?
Very good, very excited now.
Very excited. It's going to be an easy win for India.
Yes, easy, 100% easy for win India. So happy. Is Virat Kohli again to century.
So, Sagarika, I think the common factor is Virat Kohli, because we've been speaking to people since morning and they've only been talking about Virat Kohli getting a century or Rohit Sharma getting a century for that matter. More and more visuals of people, coming in here. I will, of course, again try to stop them and ask them, sir, we are live on Times Now. What is the message?
India is going to win today and always.
Today and always. The Champions Trophy is coming home?
Absolutely.
Ma'am, your favorite player, your message for the player. I see the flag in your hand, the jersey. What would you want to say? Your favorite player, sir, please.
Always.
Come to the camera.
The fit man, Rohit. We love you, Rohit.
Was that
And Virat.
a certain politician when you called Rohit a fraud?
No. No, Rohit is good. Rohit's fit.
Well done, Rohit.
So Rohit is fit, Rohit is good, is what people here are saying. So obviously more and more fans coming in here. This is the way for fans to start coming in and go to the Dubai Stadium for where their seats are. It's a very, very long walk, Sagarika, here for fans and the media alike. But this happens when, you know, there are ICC tournaments. That is why fans here are coming in large numbers to the Dubai Stadium, because it's about going to be very, very soon when the match starts.
Karishma, I want you to stay along with us as you get us the live pictures and you get us the live mood on the ground in Dubai, because